Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal pending balance. First, gather the transaction ID, buyer email, and payment method so you have everything ready. Next, check your activity page for hold reasons and any dates listed, and review recent emails from PayPal for instructions. If the hold mentions an unresolved issue, reach out to the buyer politely and request shipment confirmation or required documents before escalating to PayPal support. Start by confirming shipping with a tracking number that meets PayPal standards and upload that tracking to the transaction details. If PayPal requests documents, submit clear invoices, receipts, or proof of delivery to speed up release. For buyer disputes, communicate calmly, offer solutions or refunds when appropriate, and ask the buyer to confirm resolution so PayPal can clear the hold quickly and return funds to your available balance. To prevent future pending balances, use a verified PayPal account and link a confirmed bank or card so transactions look more trustworthy. Always ship with trackable services and upload tracking information within 24 hours of the sale to meet PayPal criteria. Keep product descriptions accurate and communicate expected delivery times clearly to buyers to reduce disputes and help your funds move from pending to available more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.